Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indian Horse Racing Secret with Viz. So, coming to the today is the Pune races which will be starting at 1 p.m. Coming to the first race, not taking much time I am directly going to my selections. So in the first race I like number 11 Regal Prince for place. Go for each way. Place will be good, okay. Coming to the second race I like number 7 Marvelous, should win easily. This should be my day's best bet. In the race number 2, horse number 7 Marvelous should win easily. And coming to the in the third race number 2 is a hot favorite Sufia, but I don't like this favorite at all. Over here I like Northern Lights. It's a got a broad pedigree. Uh, should show a bold show a year in this race. Okay, in the third race, number 1 Northern Lights each way at longer odds. Coming to the fourth race, I like number 4 Jackin and number 7 Endeavor, both. Okay, so in the fourth race, number 4 Jackin and number 7 Endeavor, both go for win. Okay, and coming to the fifth race is quite tricky one. Okay, it's a 1400-meter race. Over here there are lots of contender, number 1, number 2, then number 4, 5, 13, and again number. Okay, over here there are lots of contenders, so it's better to skip this race. Okay, not suggesting anything. And in the sixth race, number 4 Sultan Suleiman is the favorite horse, but I don't know about. But this jockey NS Parmar is riding this horse for the first time. Over here, for this horse comes under negative in the handicapping because of the jockey NS Parmar. Okay, over here I like Mystic Bay, which comes under handicap in the race number 3. He was second to Sultan Suleiman, carrying 59, and that time Sultan was carrying 53, and now Sultan Suleiman is carrying 56 plus 3, and now Mystic Bay is carrying 53. That means overall 12 kg difference. So Mystic Bay comes under handicap, better than Sultan Suleiman for this race. In this race, I think the race should be between Mystic Bay and Rambunctious. Okay, go for Rambunctious win and Mystic Bay hedge bet. Okay, and in the seventh race, number 3 is Flaming Fire is hot favorite, but over here I like another horse, Coco Mo, which will follow Flaming Fire, but my choice is Coco Mo for win. Has a very good pedigree, and Sandesh is riding for this horse, and 1400 meter will not be a issue. This horse, okay, this horse is a half brother to Yana, Zana, Matthias, and many more classic contenders horses. Okay, so in the seventh race, number 4 Kokomo should win easily against Flaming Fire. Go for good win, 74 Kokomo. And in the eighth race, over here, number 8 Little More is showing very good in tracks. Okay, has been well prepared for this race, so go for Little More each way. Okay, and in the last race is quite tricky one. Selini is favorite, but over here Arc Shine is also threat for Selini, and Divine Glory is also threat for Selini, so better to skip this race. Okay, so again I am revising my selections. In the first race, number 11 Regal Prince each way. Okay, go. Second race, number 7 Marvelous win easy, days best. In the third race, number 1 Northern Lights win. Okay, and in the fourth race I like number 4 Jackin and number 7 Endeavor. Okay, Fifth race I said to skip the race because here there are a lot of contenders. And in the sixth race I like number 7 Rambunctious and Mystic Bay. Okay, two horses I like over here. In the seventh race number 4 Kokomo should win easily in the hands of A Sandesh. He is a very good jockey. And in the eighth race I like number 8 Little More should win easy. She is showing very good on tracks. And last race I said better to skip the race. So all the best friends. Uh, Thank you for watching my videos. Do subscribe, and there will be in the description box I will be giving my selections and as well as my WhatsApp group to join, because in the during the paddock time and race time my selection may go changes. Okay, so do join my WhatsApp group. Thank you very much.